High-level messaging for Pfizer UEA authorization for 12 to 15-year-olds. FDA authorizes Pfizer vaccine for 12 to 15-year-olds. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has now authorized use of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine in adolescents 12 to 15 years old. Previously, the vaccine had been authorized for people aged 16 and older. Governor Tim Walz announced that Minnesota is ready to begin vaccinating this age group this week. Final federal guidance is expected to be issued from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, later this week, following a meeting of the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices scheduled for Wednesday. The state will announce when final vaccination recommendations are available for providers, and we expect parents can make appointments for vaccinations later this week. Minnesotans 12 to 15 years old should be able to get vaccinated anywhere Pfizer vaccines are available, including their healthcare provider, pharmacies, state sites, local health department, and pop-up and community events, including some held at schools. At this time, the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine is the only COVID-19 vaccine that has been authorized for the use by people aged 12 and older. Parent or guardian consent is required for COVID-19 vaccination for people younger than 18. We encourage a parent or guardian to go to the vaccine appointment with their 12 to 17-year-old to learn about the COVID-19 vaccine and provide consent for the child to receive the vaccine. How to get your child vaccinated. Getting vaccinated is how we get back to the people we love and the activities we miss. We highly recommend getting your child vaccinated as soon as possible to ensure a safe and fun summer. Getting vaccinated will give your child, your family, and your community extra protection against this deadly disease so your child can safely enjoy summer camps, trips, vacations, and more. Every person who gets vaccinated also helps us slow the spread of this disease and protect those who cannot get vaccinated. There are a number of ways you can get your child a Pfizer vaccine. The Vaccine Connector, you can directly sign up for an appointment at one of the community state vaccination program locations at vaccineconnector.mn.gov. Walk-ins for Minnesotans 12 plus will be accepted at state community vaccination sites administering Pfizer vaccines. You can use the vaccine locator map to search for providers who are offering COVID-19 vaccines to Minnesotans ages 12 and older. Vaccine Finder. You can also find COVID-19 vaccine appointments at vaccines.gov, which allows you to filter by vaccine manufacturer and search for only Pfizer vaccine appointments. Healthcare provider. You can also contact your child's primary healthcare provider, local public health department, or a local pharmacy. Community events. Watch for local events at schools, churches, and other organizations in your area throughout the summer. The Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine is a 2-shot series. It's very important to get both doses in order to have the best protection. Your child will receive their second shot 21 days after their first shot and be considered fully vaccinated 2 weeks after their second shot. Get your kid vaccinated now to have full protection for summer.